Now we have to move ahead to the third property, that is third criteria, that is ASA criteria. Name itself tells angle, side, angle. That means two angles of two triangles, and the one included side between those two angles should be equal of two triangles. Then those two triangles are congruent triangles by ASA. Now these two are triangles. In this one, if we don't know anything about, but only three things if we know, that is the one angle. This is 40 degree. This is also 40 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. And in between those two angles, which side is included? This is A, B, C, and this is D, E, F. So which side is included between these two angles?
BC.
BC and EF.
Here EF. If the EF length and BC lengths are equal, suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter, then these two triangles are congruent by ASA criteria. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle ABC is equal to angle DEF, that is equal to 40 degrees. Angle ACB is equal to angle DFE, that is equal to 60 degrees. They are equal because both of them measure 60 degrees. And side BC and EF, these are also equal because both of them measures 5 centimeter. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA congruency. Now three criteria are equal. Three things of these two triangles are equal. Then remaining three will be also equal by CPCT. So what are the remaining three things? That is, one is third angle A and D. Angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. We don't know the measure, but we know that is they will be equal. As well as other two sides, other two corresponding sides. That is AB and DE will be equal, and AC and DF will be equal. All these three things we can say equal by CPCT. Congruent parts of congruent triangle. So therefore, what is the rule? If two angles and included side of one triangle are equal to two corresponding angles, and included side of two angles, then two triangles are congruent by ASA criteria. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All these criteria were in 7th.
Yes, all were there in 7th. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is AAS criteria. It is ASA and now AAS. This means any two angles and any one side. It's not necessarily the side should be in between two angles. Any two sides of one triangle is equal to the any two sides of the other triangle, and then the side, any one of the side of the triangle is equal to the another side of the triangle. Then two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency. So have you written completely earlier one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if any two angles of one triangle and any one angle, any one side are equal to corresponding angles, corresponding two angles and side, corresponding side of other triangle, then those two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency. If these two triangles are there, in this A, B, C, this is P, Q, R, angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 70 degree, angle P is 50 degree, angle Q is 70 degree, PR and AC are equal 4 centimeter. Then any two angles, corresponding angles are equal and one side is equal. Then the two triangles are congruent by AAS. Actually, what is happening here? These two angles are equal. So ultimately, by angle sum property, angle C and angle R will be equal. So this means now in between 50 and that angle, the 4 centimeter is present. In between 50 and that particular angle, the 4 centimeter is there. So this is 70, 50, 70 and 50, 120. That means this is 60. So this will be also 60. Now you can say that is here P and A are equal. This is 4, 4 and 60, 60. So therefore by ASA criteria, two triangles are congruent. Indirect way of proving ASA. So we can take AAS as well. No problem. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Angle A is equal to angle P, that is 50 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q, that is equal to 70 degrees. And PR is equal to, AC is equal to PR, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAS congruency. Write down this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is there any congruency rules for quadrilaterals?
No. Only for triangles. Quadrilateral divide into triangles and then prove. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I just have a doubt. It's
Yeah.
not doubt, but I think the answer is wrong because I checked it 2 times, whatever I did.
Which
It
one?
is now 1 by root 2 plus root 3
1 by root 2.
plus root 3.
Where? Which one you're telling?
Ma'am, it is the first chapter.
First chapter?
Ma'am, the question is you have to rationalize the denominator 1 by root 2 plus root 3.
Root 2 plus root 3. Okay.
Ma'am, in that I got the answer as minus root 2 minus root 3 because you get it as root 2 minus root 3.
At the end, I will solve that one. Okay. I will
Okay.
I will show you at the end.
Okay.
Everyone completed this part?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
And that question I solved, it's not minus root 3 minus root 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus root 2 plus root 3.
Minus root 2 plus
Yes.
root 3, you will get it.
Yes, 5.
Yes, ma'am, but it is minus root 2 plus root 3 will get the answer, but the answer is given as root 2 minus root 3 only. That's why I just asked.
What's the question? 1 by
Root 2
root 2
plus
minus root 2
root
plus.
3 plus. Ma'am, whatever I did, it is correct, but the answer is given wrong. That's why I asked.
What they have given answer?
And answer is given as root 2 minus root 3.
Root 3 minus root 2.
Yes, ma'am, but the answer is given as root 2 minus root 3.
That's wrong.
Ma'am, that's why I asked. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
RHS criteria. Then last criteria is RHS. R means right angle, H is hypotenuse, S is side. So this is applicable only for right triangles. So right angle triangle, it is applicable only for right angle triangles. In two right angle triangles, so that means one angle is 90 degree. So these two angles are 90, ABC and DEF. If we take two triangles, in that one angles are 90 degrees. Angle B and angle E is 90 degree. Then that is right angle. Then hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AC and hypotenuse DF. The lengths of these two should be equal. And any one of the side, AB or BC, anything. So I will make it AB and DE are equal. Then these two triangles are congruent by RHS criteria.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, so it means it's similar like AAS, just the angle is 90 degrees.
Is two angles are not known. We don't know the other angle. Is there is only one angle and two sides.
And it is like SSA.
SSA, but not applicable for all other triangles. Only for, now here also, yeah, if it is this side and D and BC and EF are equal, then we can tell as SAS. But the hypotenuse should be equal. If hypotenuse is equal and one of the side is equal, ultimately the second side will be equal by Pythagoras theorem. So therefore, only these three parts we can show. So if in any right triangle, right angled triangle, hypotenuse of two triangles and one corresponding side of two triangles are equal, then two triangles are congruent by RHS congruency. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Both of them are 90 degrees. AB is equal to DE. AC hypotenuse is equal to DF. If it is known, if it is given, they are equal. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by RHS congruency. Clear?
Ma'am,
Then by CPCDS,
ma'am, you told by Pythagoras theorem. What by Pythagoras theorem?
so BC and EF will be equal.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's because CPCT.
CPCT also, and by Pythagoras theorem also, that will be equal.
How, ma'am?
Use Pythagoras theorem. If these two lengths are exactly equal to each other, so this square minus this square, you will get BC square.
Yeah. Yes.
Done?
Ma'am, Saturday we have class.
What?
Saturday we have class.
Yeah,
No?
Saturday class is there.
Yeah, okay.
Tomorrow school holiday, right?
No, ma'am. Means ma'am didn't tell confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
It is every year holiday. Varamahalakshmi Puja. Okay, clear? All 5 criteria clear to you?
Ma'am, it is clear, but sometimes I get confused.
Question to question, that matters. Now here ABC triangle, you have to check out which of the triangles are similar, congruent to triangle ABC and write their proper names. Try doing.
Ma'am, except the fifth one, all are congruent.
Write names, write names. Write their proper names.
Ma'am, should we draw these all diagrams?
Yes. Rough diagrams, don't use the scale, pencil and everything.
Ma'am, triangles congruent only to ABC, not to anything else.
Yeah, only to ABC.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, what should we find basically?
Which triangles are congruent and their names. Congruency, write the congruency.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me first triangle. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Which one?
PQR.
Is it PQR? AB and PQ should be equal. Are they? 4.5. BC and QR are equal, right? And AC and PR are equal. Okay, first one done. This is done. Second one is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
FDE.
FDE. AB and FD are equal. AB is 4.5, FD is 4.5. DE and BC are equal. BC is 5, DE is 5. Okay, then right. Then next, so that means this is also
MNR.
done.
Ma'am,
MNR.
MNR.
ma'am, MRN.
Yes, ma'am. MRN.
Yeah.
MRN.
AB should be equal to MR. BC should be equal to RN, right? MRN. Then only these three.
Ma'am,
This one
yes,
is
ma'am.
not equal because all three sides are 5. So sides are not equal. So we can't say. Okay, so this is the first part. Now we are starting with the questions. The questions go.
Ma'am, is this NCRT example?
Yeah, this is point C. Now in this figure, in figure 7.8, this is a figure 7.8, OA is equal to OB. It is given. That means this OA and OB. Always remember one dash, that means they are equal. Two dash means whenever they're given two dash, that means those two sides are equal. So dash, number of dash, check out where it is given. So OA is equal to OB, they have given. OD is equal to OC. So this OD and OC of the two triangles, corresponding sides are equal. Then show that AOD and BOC triangles are equal. So these two triangles are equal, we have to prove.
Ma'am,
We
they
have
are
already
common.
given
Yes.
two sides equal. Now either one more side is needed equal or one angle should be equal to them.
Ma'am, angle COB is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. So it's congruent by SCS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now while writing, very importantly, listen, keep your ears open and then listen very carefully, otherwise you will lose mark. While writing all these things, the proving part are there. So you have to start with given things, given and to prove. You have to write it, otherwise you will lose 1 mark. So given thing, OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. These are given. To prove, what we have to prove? First part is triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. And the second one is AD parallel to BC. Is there any construction? Then write construction, otherwise proof. So here we don't need any construction. While writing proof for congruency, you have to first tell which triangle you are considering. And in that, the three factors which are equal that you have to write down. Then only you can say that his triangles are congruent. So step by step has to be done. No two statements should be written on a one line. So here in triangle, we are showing it in triangle AOD and triangle BOB or BOC, whatever it is. Here the naming part is not so important. In this triangle, what are the three factors equal? First is OA is equal to OB. So no, don't write the next statement in the same line. One by one statement in a one line. OA is equal to OB. What is the reason? While writing this dash and in bracket, you have to write given. Then OD is equal to OC. Now see here, AOD triangle I have written on one side. So therefore the first sides or angles you have to show from this triangle. AOD's OA and OD are the path. So we have to write on LHS because AOD first we have taken. So on that side, the first, all the sides, all angles of one triangle only you have to show. You cannot interchange them. OD of AOD triangle only. So OD is equal to OC. That is also the reason is given.
Like we can't write OC is equal to OD now.
No, don't try to write that one. So that can be written, but that is not the proper way of writing it. And then angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Reason is vertically opposite angles. And then, so therefore, triangle AOD congruent to triangle. Now properly write down. AO is equal to OB. So BOC by SAS congruency. So this is we have proved. Okay, first part proved. Now we have to show AD parallel to BC. Now how to use this one? So from this, write the CPCT part. Then I will write it, this angles are equal. So AO and OB are equal. And this angle is equal. So ultimately this angle B and angle A will be equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So A and C are not equal. A and B will be equal. So angle OAD is equal to angle OBC by CPCT. Now these two angles are alternate interior angles for AD and BC sides. For sides AD and BC, these are alternate interior angles. So therefore AD parallel to BC. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. So it is perpendicular also and it is bisector also. If a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant from A and B. AB is a line segment. L is perpendicular and bisector. This is line L. So it is perpendicular also and bisector also. Bisector means it divides the triangle on sides on equal halves. If a P lies on L, so P is here. No, P line on anywhere. It is not told in between A and B. Suppose here. Then show that P is equidistant from A and B. Anywhere on this line P is present at this upper side or the lower side. We have to show that P is equal distance from A and from B. This means what we have to prove?
Ma'am, it's going to show us an isosceles triangle.
What we have to prove?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, PAB is equilateral triangle.
No.
ma'am,
What
AD.
exactly? P is equidistant from A and B they have told. So
Ma'am, we
what
have to
exactly
prove
we have to
AP
prove?
equals BP.
Yes, AP distance and PB distance we have to show equal. So
These
what
two
are the things given?
Uh,
L is
L is perpendicular
perpendicular to
bisector of it.
AB. So this means now here AD is equal to DB. So this is point D. AD and DB are equal and L is perpendicular to AB. That means angle PDB is equal to 90 degrees. To prove
AP equals BP.
BP. No construction, direct proof. We have to show this is can be shown by showing two congruency of these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle. PDA and PDB triangle, we have to prove congruency. In that, PD is equal to DB is given. This is 90 degrees, so this will be also 90 degrees because these
And
form
PD.
linear pair. And PD, which is the side, this is a side present in both the triangles as it is. So therefore, this is common side. So PD is equal to DP, which is a common side for both the triangles. So by Aas criteria, these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle PDA and triangle PDB, AD is equal to BD. Reason is given. Angle PDA is equal to angle PDB, that is both 90 degrees, and side PD is equal to DP, common side. So therefore triangle PDA is congruent to triangle PDB by SAS congruency, and therefore PA is equal to PB by CPCT.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I forgot the meaning of these three dots. It is
What?
I forgot the meaning of these three dots.
Reason because of.
Because of.
Therefore and because of. Done earlier? So here it should be come in one line. No two statements should be a one line. Two statements you are not supposed to write in a one line.
Done, ma'am.
Third one. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD. O is the midpoint of AD. Show that triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. And O is the midpoint of BC also. So what we need to prove? What we need to show? How to show, sorry. They have given CD and AB are parallel. And O is the midpoint of AD. O is a midpoint, that means OA and OD are equal. Then other thing,
CD is
Yes,
parallel
ma'am.
to
I got.
AB, therefore angle C is equal to angle B.
yes, so this angle is equal to this angle. These are alternate interior angles.
I mean, same in the other angles.
Angle D is equal to angle A. So
So
these
it's
two are
in A.
also, so this is two angles and any one side are equal. So
Ma'am,
Aas criteria, two triangles are congruent.
ma'am, it can
Or
also
you
be
can take
inversely.
this angle is equal to this
Yeah.
angle. So A criteria, two triangles are congruent. So you can do anything AAS or ASA. Anyone you can use it. Proof, try to do by yourself with proper reasons.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I mean, the given instead of writing O is the midpoint of AD.
Directly you can write AO is equal to OD.
Yeah, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
So homework is 7.1 exercise, first 5 questions.
NCRT.
NCRT.
Okay, ma'am.
7.1, first 5 questions. 6, 7, 8, they are very important. I will solve them.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you told that no, we should not write two statements in one line. It means that if this diagram is there, in one line we should write AO equals DO, and in the next line we should write angle COD equals angle AOB.
Yes. So
Okay.
these two statements, I'm actually telling this one, this statement, and immediately after that you should not write PDA and PDB in the one same line.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything is a next step. Some of the students, what they will do, everything, all three in a one straight line, without reasons. So it is not a proper way of writing anything. So always every mathematical statement in every one single line.
They may cut marks.
Yeah. Okay. Fine, then you can leave. So first 5 questions of 7.1 exercise.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am, for Sunday's test, we should study only NCRT or even RS Agarwal and
RS as well.
Okay, ma'am.
NCRT first chapter, nothing is there. What I will ask from the NCRT.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.